Hello everybody, now good evening. Now the issue with the grant, like people, this issue, all presenters, I beg of you, all live video presenters, make una talk this issue without hatred. Make una handle them well. Make you not feel say because you not like Monica or because you not like Lolo. We all should handle this issue very well. Make we not go use our head, take carry what we don't know one or two about. My people, me, Ivie, I swear with my life, I feel even go swear for any juju. Monica told me this thing last year. Monica told me this thing last year. I'm not talking for live video because I thought it was a secret. Because she never said it. She has never mentioned it. The way she tell me, I was like, because people felt they talk this matter, say, something is wrong somewhere. This one an issue of kind of intimacy. Something like, this will not be friendship matter again. This will not be friendship matter again. This one a matter of intimacy. There's something behind it. Last year, what happened? God, if I lie for here, all of them way they look me. Una fifi say, na lie they talk. But me, wanna go use me swear. Monica told me this thing last year. If I'm not mistaken, it was 2 days before I did the video of Lolo. Monica, the first video where I do. I was like, my sister, Monica, what did happen? She said, Ivie, I don't feel like to you, Ivie. May I tell you something? Lolo, they naked for me for live video, for video call. They play with herself. She go they scream like, Monica, make me come. Monica, make me come now. Monica, tell me something will go make me come. My people, when I not talk, I'm say, when I not talk, my presenters, even my fellow commenters. When I not take this thing like, Monica don't fair insult me, or Lolo don't fair insult me. Let us be straightforward on this. I swear with my life and I swear with my head. Monica told me this thing last year. The way she tell me. I felt it was a secret. Because she was already involved. And she has never said it on live video. That was the reason I never mentioned it. She told me, well, tell me, if a Lolo ga banu amame me camera. Or fiege be mame. Wait till they always tell her, say, Monica, make me come. She go they scream. Monica, tell me something we want make me come. Go they play with herself. So she was helping, but she never showed her herself. She told me this thing, but she don't explain the whole thing. But now what did she tell me? She go tell her, say, use plastic dick. So that one she do what they tell her. Use plastic dick. He say, he go say, he not go solve her. Monica, solve her. He say, Lolo was always disturbing her with this. When my sister talked that thing, when Monica talked that thing, I reasoned them, even when I dropped, I was like, this one a bad intimacy. You know, say for this matter of woman to woman thing. Now one, like the Leo one into them. And I saw that the Leo somebody into them. Believed so much in you, most especially when they trust you. They are free with you. They want to do it with you. Monica say, He go tell and say, use rubber. No worry, I there for call. He go put call for ground. Lolo go naked. I swear with my life. Monica told me this thing last year. I don't feel lie. If Lolo, if you want to go bring juju paper call for me, say, nah lie. Monica tell me, but I wasn't there, but she told me this thing last year. But I've never mentioned it on live video. My presenters, my fellow presenters, make we use sense to talk these things. Make we talk this thing where we not talking with hatred. If una go remember the time when me and Enoge take day against woman to woman, Lolo kicked against it. All the video when Lolo do about it was like now their life. Mona leave them alone. Lolo kicked against all those videos. Mommy Chula, say the truth. My lovely sister, I'm not telling you to come and side Monica or to come and side Lolo. Come out and say the truth. Because you mentioned it some time ago on your video. And you posted it. You wrote it as a post as well. Even I can still remember Aproko carried that post of yours. It was sometime last year. I can still last year. I can still remember. You say, now me you want Leo to. The guy you tell me the post. You still talking for live video. But you not talk, you just make sure. You say, now me you want Leo to your thing. Lesbianism. Or everybody they go swear. Me, I go still swear. If Monica cannot tell me this thing last year, Monica told me. Well, I'm not talking because I feel saying maybe that's secret. Because Monica has never said it on live video. I swear. With my life. My dear Lolo, Monica, Mommy Chula, me, I go join because why I go join? They say, I was told, she told me. I swear with my head, I swear with my entire life. I can swear anything on that. Take it or leave it. I'm saying nothing but the truth. And you, Bianca, you must surely swear as well. If you and Lolo not to do that thing. Lolo has never kicked against woman to woman since when we take out the shot for this live video. Lolo was on their side. Every time. Monica told me this thing last year. My people. I don't know one or not. If person they talk, no they believe person. I swear. If not lie, they talk, me all of una head, kill me. She told me. But I thought it was a secret. Because she has never mentioned it once on a live video. That was the reason. I never said it out. I never said anything about it. Or said anything about it. On my live screen. But Monica confided in me to tell me, Iwe Lolo, Ora banwa menye. Ora fiege be menye. Lolo they touch herself. She go naked. You where Monica tell me, oh Monica, make me come now. Talk with you go make me come, Monica. That's lesbianism. It is very obvious. Say this thing 100%. If you say me, I go pull her for Juju swear. This thing happened because Monica never even talk. Monica told me this thing since last year. I can still remember. My people won't judge this thing rightly. Ni ma ya ju ya yo na do ya mi we mano ma wi pe kwa okeke are me ko an ni bo mano ma wi kwa o mano ma wi enye e de aga wi de me do an ni pe nye iwe o aboyen na se o iwe do me no so mo iwe o me wa boyen na se iwe o amega si o to ga se gbe o iwe o wa ri boyen na se o wa ga yo wo mama ya boeso na o owe Monica mu me wa ya boeso na owe Lolo mu me wa ya boeso na judge it rightly. I'm ready to go to any length to swear if Monica not tell me this thing last year. Monica told me. Olivier, he set it to him away. A lot of our bomb or mammy camera. Or what is the way you were? You is a usually attempt be a man. Or what was screen? Or what was screen? Or where I Uber so you met a man with Lolo. Lue Abba, Eki Abba. Or what one is of the you want your hear your voice if they hear your voice, you're the talk to you so. And so money cut it tell me. Have you put one for any juju swear? And the more that when you they talk so, we were watching. Don't power. Because of when we get away, I'm on way on top presenters can little one. Now do have your boy. Where go my dog one? Oh, my dog, where? Oh, my dog, where? Make we judge this thing, right? Anybody will go judge this thing with hatred. And we not die, so Anybody will go lie for this matter. And we not done anything. Enough of all this. Now, because Monica not carry the issue, come out. He not talk and come out for live video. Now make me know if you talk. If not, I for don't talk. Because she don't bring her come out. She not talk and come out. I felt it was a secret. Because on my game on, if I got on a live video, come and say, I go betray somebody where I say I love. Maybe she be don't want me another. May live video, may Facebook hear that matter, but she just confided in me. But today, I was so happy when I hear her, and I came out for audio. Come tell me and say, yes, she told me this thing last year. Arrêtez no rachen, arrêtez faux. Amanate no rachen, arrêtez faux. Il vient de nous sommes. Ouais, Gimaya, yo, oh, mama, ya boisonna. Ni maria dora yek be ya vio. Ra, ni maria do yek be ya funo. Ni mama na okpa mama efa. Ni maria do anene. Ikbenye, ni mama ede agabi ede. Wage miamia. Eboro, osalo boabiye. I want to use this opportunity and medium to beg all my fellow presenters. If you have any issue with these two people, drop your anger and go straight. Judge this issue on ground rightly. Don't be sentimental about it. Even me, I've dropped. For this issue now, I dropped the sisterly hold or the blood between me and Monica for this issue. For now, nobody is going to be sentimental about it. Monica told me herself. So she didn't lie about that video. And it is truth. Because according to the video when Monica do, she said now only one doctor or psychologist now she tell. But she told me as well. Ask her. I can go to any length to defend that. I feel so any juju for this life. She told me. She told me. Believe me. She told me. For now, all my Facebook people, my fellow presenters, I want drop for this matter. Until we see the truth for this matter, which I know Monica is not lying, because she told me the same thing last year. And she did about 2 or 3 videos where she for talk this to say, wait till we did the matter, wait till they cause the quarrel. Una never still know, and no one never ready to talk the truth. She said it on her videos, about 2 or 3 videos. She mentioned, she uttered that word. My people. For this moment, for this video, I drop the blood, the relationship between me and Monica for now. We must come to the root of this matter, which I know she is not lying, because she told me before. Because you know why they drop her? Maybe not say that because Maybe not because they relate. I be live video presenter. Make all of us judge this matter well. Make all of us judge this matter well. I have one kutu. You understand? And Lolo is still not saying the truth. What are you still hiding? The whole thing is out. It is very obvious. It is very obvious. Because according to the video where Monica do, we are listening to just now, what she do how many hours ago, she said she get to one weakness where be say Lolo still trust, where be say Lolo they put, sometimes they put her for video call with her, they run that package. Ah, God. For now, look this issue well. Now, so lesbian fight they be. Lolo tried to lure Monica into this thing. She tried to. When she go to play with herself, Monica tell me herself, say, she they read, they tell him. Anytime she take call for video call, Monica, tell me something we go make me come. Monica, tell me something we go make me come now. I want come. Tell me sweet words. Sweet words. Monica saying go read, they talk to her. Like when man they do you, he go they talk to her for video call. No be say they together now. Until she go come. She told me, believe me, my people, I'm not lying. I swear, with my entire life, Monica told me this thing last year. She confided in me. Why I not talk and come out be say, I don't know whether that's secret because she not talking for live video. I can't just come out like that. Me, I can't talk her. You will come like say, I leak the secret. But she told me, I swear, with everything, with my entire life, I swear, she told me, God don't sleep. Make una not change this matter now. And one thing we want from you, Lolo, say the truth. Say the truth. Because I haven't yebo. Ebo de nye. Haki amu yeme na ven. That dog if you boy yebo I ven. Say the truth. Not the banner, the whole thing don't come out. Because the way una fight, they go. Now lesbians, they fight like that. The way your hatred, they go for Monica. Even to the extent to her husband. Now so lesbian fight they be. Most especially when they are in love with that person already. Lesbianism. Not just something of, don't make I come. A very strong thing. Strong spirit that they follow. Once you are into it, someday it will be full time. Someday it will be bisexual. But this kind, Lolo, make I explain out to you now. This kind one, so Lolo is not a full-time lesbian. But Lolo, a person will be say, she be bisexual. She can fuck a woman as well. Yes, for her issue. But the matter where they be say, Lolo, now that person will be say, she then masturbate. She love masturbation. And people when they masturbate, they can masturbate with a woman as well. Hello? Call back, call her. People when they masturbate, they are fond of it. Anytime they are alone, they can masturbate with their fellow women as well. Even they even prefer to masturbate with their fellow women. People when they used to this kind of when they do this kind of life, they know they use rubber dick. Now woman, I tell they masturbate. I don't see this thing. I know him. I know what I'm talking about. Hello? Hello? I didn't hear you. Who be this? Okay, sir. With the hear you, I bet I talk with the hear you, sir.
If you were lower, work for it. Well, lower, sound down. Well, lower, work for it.
Tafo, Guarian. Mama, Guarian. Why go for the job? So you understand? Guarian. My wife no tower, Tafo no where. You understand, my people? Now so it take it, now so it be. Where you go drop? I want for you. If you were low, you don't. You for call, you just the talk, then now your credit they go with you concern me. I dey do my own job here. So my people, make we judge this matter rightly. Because if to say that now you're the year for Monica month. When you see her, before Monica go talk this thing, you know, say, you go see her say she has been pushed. And she does not care what you want come out for inside again. Or any shame. Go now talk say, hey, now 12 now they do whatever. But she has to let it out this time. She has to let it out. If not all of boyfriend, what it concern me? Wait here. Call again. Call again. Credit to work while we have. Maybe you want to vote in 10 euro can 10 euro credit to then we are 10 euro credit to take to your one boy, Papa na phone. Like my via. Why come? So my people, now it be the thing. Make we judge them rightly. But what I can't tell when I be say, I know they lie. I swear with my life. If I lie, may God Almighty punish me. Do anything we want to me. May God take my life. But when I'm not using them against me. If I'm lying on this issue, God Almighty make it take my life. I'm not lying. Monica told me this thing last year. She confided in me. But okay, they call again. And they call again. Okay, no. Hello, caller. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Hello, good evening, ma.
Yeah, good evening. I'm listening to your program right now.
Okay, ma. You can talk.
Yeah,
please, can you load it when you're watching from?
You, please?
Can you? Yeah, of course. Can you load it when you're watching from, please?
Hello, can I talk to you now?
Of course, I'm listening to you. I can hear you. Please, can you load it when you're watching from? Yes, man. I'm listening to you. You can talk.
I just want to advise Ivy, whenever she's on a live program, she should not be saying that she swear with her own life. Does she know what her own life is?
No. No, my dear sister, listen to me. Forget it. Forget some, because una know they believe person they talk truth. Now una say una will be commenter. Listen, listen, let me tell you something. It's the same you guys commenters that will come and be writing here if you are lying. Not even they believe again. Even Bible, una take the swear more carry Bible aside. More swear juju. Because if you want me I tell come, I said it before, now not believe me. Why should I lie? If I'm lying, I cannot swear with my life.
You want to swear with your own.
I cannot swear with my life if I'm lying. Because God is not asleep. I cannot die for waiting be saying the truth at the top, because God, our God, na God of truth. Our God, na God of truth. I'm not taking side here. Our God, na God of truth. Our God is not a man that he should lie. God cannot take my life when I'm saying the truth. But when I'm lying, God should take my life. I'm not lying, my people. Because now they believe person. Some of them, the right time here says, you are lying. Lie. If you lie, why should I lie? You think that my life not that precious to me. Why should I swear with my life when I know I'm lying? I'm saying the truth. That is why I have the confidence to even swear with my life. Because if I know I'm not saying the truth, I won't dare to even swear with my life because I know that God, even though I'm not a go church, I believe so much in God. I've always been telling you guys. I believe so much in God. That is why I said, I swear with my life. Man feel lie. Human feel lie. But God don't lie. And God Almighty, they see everybody from where they. Let us continue. Let us start to say the truth. Why all this lie? You guys are committing a you they lie. What do you want me to swear with? That is why I say I'm ready to go and swear any oath. If Monica don't tell me this thing last year. If she don't tell me this thing last year, she told me, I'm not taking side. I'm not taking side, but I'm just saying what I know. The part where I know, for instance, say Monica confided in me last year. She told me this thing herself. She tell me, say, a lot of Abanwa, all time here, even here, tell me no, yare me. Or what way, Monica, talk something we go make me call now. Tell me something we want make me call. I want call Monica, tell me something we go. And she said she did read the happen. Talking, all those sexy words. She confided in me. She told me. She told me. So now make me tell her, say she's not lying. She said the truth. So Lolo, what we want from you is for you to come out and say the truth. Enough of all these things. I tell why I'm busy. I cannot win. I be a big man. You there for UK. There are so many Nigerians in UK. There are so many even Jamaicans where they do all those kinds of things. You can be running it with them. Even people where they do this kind of thing, may not satisfy them. It is something. It is a stigma. It is something they are used to. They fuck dick, of course. They love fucking dicks. But the problem is that once they are alone, they don't even come with dick. Say that they alone, they're not there with man. They're not sabi use. Most people like this, they don't sabi use libido. Even though say you be their friend, mostly if they trust you, they will ask for your help. Now stigma. And what do they call them? Now masturbation, a spirit of masturbation. You go see some women, if they lie down alone, they're there alone, they go use their cover. Their hand not the finish there. Now spirit of masturbation. And these people, any woman where they do that kind of thing, they are mostly, check them, they are mostly bisexuals. When they are in the mood, mostly when they are alone, they are in the mood of that same thing. They can do it with anybody who will be woman way near them. So family, they trust you. They love dick. But if they're there with dick, they feel fuck that dick till daybreak. But if they're not there with dick, they're there alone. They always they want woman like them where they want practice that thing with. A very bad spirit. Make I tell now. When I go write my SSC, I go write on for my mother village, for my mother father village, my grandfather village, Uteko. So the house where we stay, the house where I stay, now free. Everybody will come do write SSC for there that time. Everybody they rent one room for Uteko village. But me no rent house because my papa my grandfather village. I stayed for my grandfather brother house. So because of that one, I started carry friends where. There was a girl called Mebe, now Agbo girl. There was another one called Esther, now still Agbo girl. We were about three of my friends joined me. The house was empty. All the man children there for the abroad. The man don't die. Now Calabar people be there for the house, but the house was empty. Me and this my girlfriends will be in. When I go write my SSC that year. know, say, listen to me, oh. Me, I not sabi lie. My ex-boyfriend, my boyfriend from Nigeria that year, he always they come. In fact, that polyjam that time, if you want to even, you know, that kind of thing, one can do all those kind of level for inside school, for inside the day one write exam, anytime we take get any paper. He and a friend, he get one of his friend bricks. They always they come. So that day, my boyfriend not come. As he not come, I just like down. I will say, but if he say he will come now, he not gonna come today. That day, maybe I not there around. Maybe I come out. Maybe I come out. If I say maybe I get exam that day, I don't forget. No. Maybe I go Bini. I mean she travel go Agbo. We be say she go come back the next day because we get exam. We get one paper we want write the next day. As I always miss my boyfriend, and that's when inside bed. I used to lot cover. I used to say, oh, you say you go come today, you not gonna come today again. Nine, the other one, Esther, yeah, Esther be her name. Now Esther, two of them, the both of them are hard girls. She said, why she go there and me they miss my boyfriend? Now say, but she said she go come, she not come. He said, but I say, he said he go come, he not come. He said, me I not worry. He said, if he help me, if I lie, make I die. Now say herself, now say I better go. Before you know it, the girl come lie down with me. The girl be sit down, they read before. She come lie down with me. We put phone for ground. And that big phone, all of us, they sleep. The girl come lie down with me. Before you know it, she don't they touch me. I come say, they worry you. They go. He said, no, you go feel help me. The next thing, she said, me I not tell anybody. Say me I not tell me bell. She bring candle, come out. Candle. White candle, that candle for Nigeria. She say she'll use this one to help me. Now say, why? She say, well, that maybe don't do it with me before. Now say, no. He say, now me she and maybe the quarry all the time now because of me. If I lie for this matter, I talk so the both of them are agbo. I shock. I told my ex-boyfriend. My ex-boyfriend now, that my ex-boyfriend for Nigeria at that time, he there for Malaysia. He they watch me sometimes. If he they watch me, Bricks there for South Africa. If Bricks they watch me, I told them when they came the next day. He said, me sure so whether maybe never do this kind of thing with me. Now I say no. I never nothing like that. He said, I sure. He said because she asked me say, now that one made them the quarrel because they were always quarreling. I don't know what they cause quarrel. I don't know say they drag me. Personally, women don't even know. That day we were alone, me and the other one. I made that one be one practicing with me. I can't fear because I never faced that kind of thing before. You understand? When my boyfriend came the next day with his friend, his best friend, Bricks, I come tell him, I say, see what happened yesterday? Say, really? Say, all these Agbo girls, they know they finish for this kind of thing. Now say, really? Now say, because I never had this kind of thing. I don't follow girls move. I don't follow girls work up. But this kind of thing, I never experienced that before for my life. So, now my boyfriend called them and say, if she do them to me again, if she try them to me again, me I tell her, say, me she not try them again. So what's going to happen? And my boyfriend friend, they toast the maybe where they inside. So when maybe I can't come the next day, I can't get to tell maybe. When I tell maybe, before you know it, the other one they backyard. She and maybe begin to fight for backyard. So my boyfriend friend, Breeze, he calls him maybe. So you not lesbian? Now maybe I say no, but the team is saying no, just be full time, and at the school you go get school. My people, that's why they look and say, hey, they are very jealous. Most especially when you know they don't like you if they don't like you, or if they like you. And most of these people, if they like you, you know they know. They're not quick let you know. They're not the quick to open up to you. Except say, no, don't be friends. Now friendship don't tight. And they don't see the kind of person where you be. And they feel the people when they do this kind of thing, they'll fair monitor you. They will fair monitor you to know whether you feel as in adjust. You go fit the line. Hello? Hello?
Hello? Hello, my beautiful sister. Good evening.
Hello, good evening, ma. Good evening. Oh. Good evening.
You not trolling. Check your comments. Block that Rita Douglas.
Okay, I don't block him. I don't block him already. Maybe not the read comment before. I don't block him.
Okay, I'm not just for that.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Which one be say? What's it? I don't understand now. If you not be everything I talk for live video. I tell you say I do one. I did tell you say see the experience where I don't get with person like that. They were fighting because of me. I never knew. Because all the time it was always fight and fight. Then they quarrel. And the two of them are advocates. Then they quarrel. I said tomorrow not day. I was shocked. People like that, if they get you as friend, they go first monitor you. They want go close to you, whether you know the person where they point. And sometimes, people where they do all those kinds of ways, they want talk to their fellow woman to take calm. They are not full-time lesbians, but they are bisexuals. They can even, they feel two women, but most especially when they need them, they are used to being, as in they are used to masturbation. They masturbate. I make any woman, you there alone, you go put hand for inside. If you see any woman, go carry the take cover. Oh boy, I will go away. Run for that kind of girl. They masturbate. And a very deadly thing. Because when they are used to it. Some of them, do you know what they do? Even though they're there with their boyfriend, you know, they fuck, they finish. They go toilet, one go clean. You go quick, they still masturbate. They not feel this. They know that they're dissatisfied when man sleep with them. Like when they do them with fellow woman, or masturbate with fellow woman, or use their hand shake their clit. If you be person, where they relate, you go know say, not truth that they talk. People like this, they know they know they satisfy them. Dick know they satisfy them. That was why Lolo was never satisfied. She wanted, that was why she tried to lure, or she tried to lure Monica. Because she not trusted Monica as a friend, because they have moved together for so many years. People like that, even though they fuck dick finish, they go toilet, go masturbate. They are never satisfied with dick until they use their hand, touch themselves, do themselves before they will define. And most of them, they come with fantasy. Once they do that masturbation, they do it with fantasy. They'll come, they remember so many things. They feel you carry one boy. They shout his name when they do it. I don't see people like that. It's sickness. Now sickness, they are not full-time lesbian. Their problem is they here. Now psychological problem. Some women masturbate past men. No matter how you go fuck them rich, think not they satisfy them until they touch themselves to come. And when they want to touch themselves, if they don't trust you as a friend, they go use you till they touch themselves. They want maybe they talk to them. When they do it, they will not be used to you. They will be free with you doing it. You feel me? So that's it. Many women, they masturbate. Some of them, it's used to them. They are not satisfied with dick. They always masturbate even after having sex with a man. If they never masturbate themselves, they cannot be satisfied. I swear, if you be woman where they learn it, you know what they talk. Go it down. No matter how you go fuck her rich, she go enjoy that dick. But until she masturbate herself. Blue film, now they watch blue film sometimes. Blue film, me I they watch blue film. Not be every time, sometimes. Porn movie. You will see and say whether they do the thing, man and woman they do. Some women, if the man want come, the man go come out. The girl go put her hand, begin to shout. Many women be like that. They are not always satisfied with sex, with, say, man sleep with them. They must use their hand for themselves. They must use their hand for themselves before they'll feel come. So my fellow presenters, make we judge this matter well. Monica is not lying. She told me herself. She told me this thing last year. Before Monica can talk this thing, since 1 year, now more than 1 year when they fight, she never talk him. Now she did talk him. She told me. I swear, she told me. If she never talk him since, and I'm like she did talk him, my people, make una use my tongue, they can't not it. Why are you, why am we? Why are you being why my he will? Abuyena say. He will. Abuyena say. And that one before that one. I'm saying nothing but the truth. Monica told me this thing last year. I swear. I swear. I swear. She told me. Lolo, this one will be time. Make this whole thing settle. And I beg you, Mommy Shula. Because of that, I dey call your name, Mommy Shula, because you don't make sure this kind of statement before. And because you don't feel right time, please come out to the world and say what you know about this thing. Please. I'm not talking say that they do it with you, they do it with you, no. But you talk on. I hear how you talking for live video, one of your video, and you still write them out. Aproko even carry the post. I can still remember. Please, come talk what you know about waiting the ground. Or what you use that talk, tell me that time, or that post when you post. Because before you go talk that thing, you must be sure. Maybe she have tried it with you. But it was impossible. Let us say the truth. We'll leave hatred out of this one. My fellow presenters, we could talk this matter as it be. God bless you all. But what I can't tell now, they say, Monica is not lying. She said nothing but the truth. She told me herself, last year, she confided in me. But I couldn't say it out because I thought it was a secret. Because she has never mentioned it in any of her live video. In any of her programs, she has never mentioned it. So that was the reason I never said it out. Because I don't want to go talk something with me, be like, say, I betray my sister. That make me think today, I never talk that thing. I never tell man, I never tell woman. I'm not lying, my people. And Monica not the lie. Before you know person, I say person not the lie. She don't already talk am. She say Mona, any juju, she's ready to swear. And Lolo, you know quite well, 100% say Monica is saying the truth. Why don't you open to the world and say your own part of it? Because now if you say juju not the key. So many juju, de no boku. De kill one woman 3 months ago. And I am more dead be. A teacher no. And I am more dead be. I am more dead be. Or give 3 months. On a home. A me no a home. A doctor. Or mammy me no work. Be not mamaro. Yana am more lolo die church here. Yana waiting here. Oma ya more bog be. Ndo no mubama. Yana ya more dead be. So they can't rush am, they can't carry the woman. Carry and go say, have you said any? Oh, no, why there? Oh my God, she's not there around. She travel, she go her brother bury her, waiting for the bury her brother. She go that side. Oh, he came and I call her. Oh, he came, the woman already die. The woman husband, they for Spain. The woman was a teacher. 3 months ago, I had that book on it. A bad and a yaku. Before Monica could say, you have your boy, Yeah, no tak monani event do yeka. Lolo, this is not time to defend anything. This is not time to be lying. This one don't pass social media thing. No. Don't be saying you go know something, you go this way, hey. So this is the time for you, Lolo, my dear, to come out and say the truth. Say your own part. Yes, I was doing it. Yes, we are doing it together. Come out and say your own part. Stop denying it. It is obvious because Monica told me the same thing last year. She's not lying. Don't you dare say, now because, now saga. This won't be saga again. Monica is not lying. Before Monica could let the cat out of the basket, since more than 1 year now, you will not say she don't be pushed. And I believe, when they watch her video, she don't feel talk and say, something they will never know. Even Lolo never talk the truth. And she's not ready to talk. Before she go talk her now, nothing, not truth. One and no use hatred to her. Lolo, they do the thing. To even start with, all the one of Jenny said the same thing. Say, Lolo godmother was doing it with her as well. You see this circle. And Mommy Chula, Lolo's ex-goddaughter, mentioned it on her video. She posted something like that. Make una use una tongue. Take out una teeth. I'm telling you guys the truth. Make una use una tongue. Take out una teeth. Now leave that one I can't talk. Lolo, this one will be time to shame. So many people will still the comments here. Many of them they don't. Nojima Vegbe or Adaze. Come out and say the truth. Because Ebo, Nado, Monica said she's ready to swear any juju for this life. And after the juju, she said she could do DNA. This one a bet for all of them. So that this quarrel, it will end once and for all. Because the cat has already been let out of the basket. You understand? The cat already come off inside the basket. Nothing to cover again. Nothing to hide. Monica said she's ready to swear anything. And after swearing, she will go do DNA. Lolo, I hope you are also ready. But okay, Lutebo, my fellow presenters, Wagaye women now, Wagay you woman, mama, Yahweh, you will, Wari Boyena say, and Megasino, or Hassigbe, Mado ya nene, Ikbenye, ni mama erede Arabi there. Why tell me now, why you woman, mama, tie on your pa, a window to Tamuwa, why you are baby guy. Thank you so much. I've cleared my own side. And I swear to God, Monica told me last year, I'm not lying. I am not lying. God bless you all. One love. You know, say when I do video like this, I know they do the look comments. Anyway, they get time to the comment. You know, they always get time to the comment and comment and comment. But sometimes my eye will just, but my eye did see on a comment, but to come the block and not just get the time. You guys are not God. Stop judging. Nobody is judging anybody. We are just here. We are saying the truth. As in Lolo should also say our own part of the story. Because Monica told me this thing herself last year. Mona only thought say she did lie. That make me say, I swear, she told me last year. Bye bye everybody. I love you all. I remain your one and only Ivienivie Nome Swag, aka Mama Triple J, alias Ivienivie Kalekwa. This is not time to lie, and this is not time for segregation. And this is not also time for hate. Let us not, this is not time. Same way they separate the ones who love, the ones who will not love for inside. Make we judge this thing with equal rights and justice. Make we judge these things. Make we put hatred who will care for any of those two people aside and judge it the way it's supposed to be. Because if not, if we not judge them well, we will never see the truth. Lolo, before Monica would tell me this thing last year, Monica also talking for the video where I watch and what she do. Since she said she tell one woman will be doctor, will be a psychologist. I mean, she tell one woman will be psychologist about this thing. So don't lie. We are all humans. Nobody is perfect. People where they watch you here, most of them they are doing it. Nobody is perfect. We are all one. So thank you, my brothers and sisters. That is why I can't drop. Love you guys so much. Tired. May I go bath? Oh, I told them it. I go on the scratch me. I don't know where. So may I go bath, my people? May I go bath? May I go ready with my boyfriend? Okay, everybody. Bye, everybody. Good night. Bye. Love you. They do them too. You did do them too. All right. Thank you for saying your own. So, Lolo, we want you to also come out and say the truth about the whole thing. You understand? Stop hiding it. It is out already. You don't come out. Monica don't already blow him. You don't come out. Because she not talk him since. And she always talk him say, something they won't know. When Lolo herself never talk. And she herself, she never still ready to talk him. Now, so they are fight they be. People like this, when they love you, and when you don't, they do that thing with them, and you can't want to stop, you know they do it with them, you don't stop, you know they do it with them. They will hate you and they will fight you with anything. If you are married, they would like to frustrate you in that marriage. That is how they rule. We know how they run out. And when you say, you know they do again, you don't want to do all those kind of things again with them. They are ready to fight with you. With anything, most especially when they already trust you and they are already used to you, because that kind of thing, it is very hard to see person where they trust, where you fit down with them. So that they always find person where they trust, where we will keep that kind of thing for them. They cannot just go to any woman like that and say no. Now gradually. And they go make sure say the relationship don't they go, they don't they know you, they don't they trust you. You understand? So when you with the trust, when you with the trust, what they do it with, you say you know they do that kind of nonsense. They will want to fight you because it's not easy to get. It's not that easy. It's not that easy where they get. So my people, I don't know what they happen. Nigeria number. My brother, they call me. Bye, everybody. Ciao.